Today, we will show you how to properly install the Viridian RFX42 reflex sight onto your handgun. This direct mount optic is compatible with any handgun slide that features the native RMSc footprint. Some handguns may require an adapter plate to fit the unit. In the box, you will get one RFX42 optic, one CR1620 battery, mounting screws for multiple fits, one lens cloth, one mounting and adjustment wrench, and one quick start guide. The first thing we do is to check and ensure the handgun is unloaded and safe. We'll pull the action back to visibly observe that the chamber and barrel are clear. Then remove the magazine and keep the weapon pointed in a safe direction while you confirm that the firearm has the proper mounting footprint or mounting plate. Then, using the provided installation and adjustment tool, remove the two screws that secure the cover plate and remove the plate. Now, before we mount the optic, let's insert the CR1620 battery. Remove the screw from the battery tray and pull the tray out of the unit. After that, insert the provided CR1620 3-volt battery with the positive side facing down into the tray. Next, reinsert the battery tray and secure it with the screw, torquing to 7 to 8 inch-pounds. Caution, over-torquing can result in damage to the product and may void the warranty. After that, set the optic on the mounting area at the rear of the slide. Refer to your firearms manual or manufacturer to determine which supplied mounting screws are correct for your setup. Then, using the provided wrench, install the two securing screws and torque them to 14 to 16 inch-pounds. You can manually power on the unit by holding the plus button. Adjusting the brightness can be done through the plus and minus buttons. You can also manually power off by holding the minus button. The RFX42 features instant-on technology that activates the unit with any movement. Use the included tool to adjust the windage and elevation screws to bring the laser closer to the center of the grouping. Turn the windage screw clockwise to move the point of impact to the left, and counterclockwise to move the point of impact to the right. Turn the elevation adjustment screw clockwise to move the point of impact down, and counterclockwise to move the point of impact up. And with that, you've now learned how to install the RFX42 reflex sight on your handgun, as well as how to operate it and how to zero it. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at 763-479-4091, or you can reach us by email at info@viridian.tech.